Hi, I'm George Stooks, the Director of Facilities Planning and Construction Administration here at St. John Fisher University. And this is Cardinal, and we're going to talk about our newest project, the major renovation to Lavery Library. First things first, safety. You won't have to wear a hard hat around campus. The biggest impact to the campus is how you get back and forth. Cutting through the library will no longer be available. Cutting down the Kearney steps will no longer be available. They are no longer there. Entering through the Kearney entrances on both east and the west side are available, and you can go down through Kearney, out through Lavery under the steeple, and over to Wegman School of Pharmacy. Otherwise, you can go through Campus Center and get to LaChase Commons that way. Behind me is a temporary sidewalk meant for access to Kearney. This will be completed and ready to go by the time students return. Thanks for watching, and please look for updates as we progress through the project.